Today we're going to focus on 1.1 integration. So first, you're going to email support@perusall.com and ask for the key and secret. Please send us some sort of verification of your email associated with the school website. Next, we're going to verify who you are, send you the key and secret, and you can begin the process. So I'm in my Moodle, and I am going to turn the edit mode on, and then I'm going to go to site administration. Next, plugins, and I'm going to scroll down to external tools. And I'm going to now click Manage Tools. Now I'm going to say Configure a tool manually, and I'm going to add the tool here. So the tool name is going to be Perusall. The tool URL you can get from our knowledge base pages for the setup. Next, the LTI version is 1.1. Do not click 1.3. Now you're going to enter the key and secret that we gave you earlier. All right, so now you're going to go to the default launch container. We're going to always make sure that it opens in a new window. Next, you are going to go to privacy, and you're going to always make sure that it's set to always for the 3 settings. Because in order for Perusall to create a profile and also connect people to the correct profile, we have to get the name of the person, the first and last name, and their email. And also, if you want the grades to sync back, you have to press always for accept grades from the tool, and then click force SSL. And everything else is you can leave put. I was just double checking, and now we're going to press save changes. Great, so as you can see, I have my 1.1 integration here in my test instance. Now I'm going to add it to a module in my course. Right now I'm just going to add it in my general module, and what you're going to click is add activity or resource. And you are going to look for the icon that says external tool. The activity name can be whatever you want, because this is just creating the generic link that takes users into the course as a whole, not into a specific assignment. And you are going to take from pre-configured tool your Perusall. And then privacy, it's already set up because we did that on the tool level, not on just the link level. So all those settings are pulled over. And then I'm just going to press save and display. Great, so now let's test if the tool works. So I'm going to press open in a new window. And now you can see that I have been launched into my Perusall course. And you can see that it is associated with Moodle because at the top here in green, it says create it from Moodle LTI 1.1. Now the next video I'm going to talk about grade sync and how to get assignment links set up in your Moodle course.